student. Yeah, today I will show it to you. Yeah, how to make presentation story. Yeah, for your project. Okay. First of all, in our presentation, we can use Google Slide. Right? Nah, so that means you have to open your Google Classroom. But before you make the presentation for the story, you can click in here. Now, in here, this is all the list of the title of presentation that you can make. Boy Who Cried Wolf, Ugly Duckling, Golden Touch, or anything. Yeah, as long as it's in this list, you can choose it. Yeah, I already put the link also. For example, if it's about 11 and 10, yeah, you can just click it. Yeah, you can see it. See, this is the story. So later on, you can just copy paste it. Yeah, we're gonna continue. Next, what you need to do as usual, you need to open your Google Slide. Okay? Now, in your Google Slide, in here, you can choose blank presentation. For blank presentation, yeah, don't forget to put in the name. For example, you put your name, for example, me, Mr. Bebe, yeah, yeah. And then your class, whether it's P3 Clare or the other P3, and then project. Ah, that's the first thing that you're supposed to do. Remember, you cannot forget because that's the most important step. Okay, next, yeah, as usual, you can color the background. How to color the background? I already teach you before. Yeah, you go to slide and then we choose change theme. Yeah, change theme. You can choose whichever theme that you prefer to use. Yeah, for example, I will try to use this one. Yeah, the story that I'm gonna make a story about 11 and friend. So that means the title is 11 and friend. Nah, and then in here, don't forget to add created by Mr. Eddie. For you, it will be different story. Yeah? For you, please put your name and your class. For example, P3 Clare. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna continue. Yeah. Now, after you're done with this, we're gonna go to the next slide. Yeah, like this. Now, before you continue, don't forget you click the first slide. We have to make it transition. Yeah, you choose transition and then choose none. Change it into anything that you prefer. For me, I will choose cube. Yeah. Don't forget to apply to all slides. So later on, when you have another slide, it's already applied, the effect. Yeah. Now, next, what we're supposed to do, next is we're gonna make the story. To make the story, it's quite simple. What you need to do, you go to the website or Google, you can Google it, the story that you wanted to um, make. For example, me. 11 and friend story. Now in here, you will copy paste a certain paragraph, maybe one or two paragraph, for example. Now, you copy it, yeah. After you copy, you go to your presentation again, and then you can paste it in here. Yeah, yeah, that's the story. You can make it the font a little bit bigger, maybe 24, so you can see it. And then in here, you can name it the title like this. Paste it. Now 11 and 10. Okay, you can remove it. Okay, for example, like this, you can make it bigger. Yeah, you can make it bigger. 11 and friends. And this title will continue to the other title. Yeah. If it's too big for you, just make it smaller. Maybe like this. Much better. Okay, yeah. Yeah. I think that's all. Nah, after you're done with this, don't forget you can put a sticker on your presentation. Yeah, you still remember, right? I already teach you. Go to insert, image, and then you can choose drive or you can choose stock and web. Yeah, for stock and web, at the moment, still loading. Okay, there he is. Okay, for stock and web, since this one is talking about 11 and file, so we can add 11. Then we can choose sticker here. Yeah, like this. Yeah, you can put it in here. Just make it smaller. Yeah, you can put it like this. And then you can arrange it around here. Then the picture of the 11, you can put it here. And also with their friend as well. Insert. Uh, see, can make it like this. Yeah, I can make it like that. Okay, put it in here, and then this one put it. So yeah, just make it look good. Okay, now after you're done with this, yeah, don't forget to check it. Slide transition. See, like I said to you before, when you already apply to all, it will change into cube automatically. Yeah, so that means slide two you done. Continue to slide three. Yeah, continue to slide three. Same, the title. You're gonna copy it and then put it in here. Yeah, like that. Now after you're done, you go to the story. Now you can copy paste the other paragraph. Yeah, copy from here. Go to presentation, paste it. Yeah, and then put another paragraph. Don't forget to press enter because that one is too little. Now you can copy maybe until yeah, until here, go here, then go to the presentation again, paste it, yeah, like that. Now you block all the letter, make it the letter more big. Yeah, for example, like this. If you like this font, you can use this font, Arial. If you want to change, you can change it. Nah, same like before, don't forget to add the sticker. Yeah, stop and web. Nah, for sticker, you can choose different sticker, yeah. And you can use this. Yeah, you can make it like that. And then maybe you can put it this one. Yeah, to decorate your presentation. Hmm, maybe I can put it here. Nah, like that. Yeah. As usual, check the slide, check transition. Okay, it's already. Okay, so that means I can go next. Next slide. Click plus again. Same, just like this. Copy the title and paste it in here. Nah, just like that. Okay, and then the paragraph. Click in. Okay, the paragraph. As usual, copy paste it. I think we can copy the remaining paragraph. Copy it and then go to the presentation. Paste it. For this part, don't forget you can resize it a little. Yeah, make it 18 maybe. Nah, that's all. And usual, don't forget insert email, stock and web. Yeah, the other. Maybe you can use this. Yeah, for example, like this. Okay, yeah, like that. Now, since you're done, don't forget the last slide. Yeah, you have to put credits. Thank you. And then thanks to God, thanks to God, thanks to my parents, thanks to my teacher. Please mention the name here. And then thanks to your friend if they help you. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, that's the thing of your presentation. Don't forget if you want to submit it, click share button and then make sure choose anyone with link and then copy paste the link